Sram Etap. First of all, we got one strap in, one strap out. It's a new rule. Ride's good. First ride in Etap, didn't even know how it worked, didn't even want to know how it worked, just want to see if it did work, and it did work for me. It feels similar to the Shimano, the Di2. I've got a few Di2 bikes, and this is the first ever Etap bike I've ridden, and it's a Bastion. But it's a very pretty bike, isn't it? It's fucking hot. But we have the Etap. And what is my thoughts on it? Durability, I don't know. Might get my hands on a group set and give it a run, but I've got SRAM bikes, I've got 21 bikes, and I just love bikes, and I've got SRAM and the mountain bike, and I rate the Shimano too, and I think it comes down to personal preference, man. You know, it comes down to personal preference, what you like. The brakes aren't the SRAM though, so they're the little EEs, and they're not too bad, but yeah, I'll see if I can get my hands on a group set and give it a bit more in-depth, but first impressions, SRAM Etap does feel good. Durability or batteries, I don't know. But I do like the feel of the levers. The levers feel good in the little hands, and so far so good. But it's funny, I just rode down the street and I'm like, how does this work? Oh, you press two buttons together and it goes like this, and it's pretty good. So it's pretty intuitive, but it's like anything, you have to ride it and then decide for yourself, what do you like? So it's like anything, just go and get a demo bike, suss it out, test it out. Life's too short to ride shit bikes. Get it shit properly tuned, learn how to tune it yourself. If you can't find someone to do it yourself, as they say. But stay tuned for more SRAM Etap reviews. So far so good. It's all pretty good these days. You know, there's a bit of fine tuning here and there, but it's all pretty good shit. You're pretty hard to go wrong with parts these days. You know, just learn how to tune them, learn how to maintain them, and get out there. And remember, life's too short to ride shit bikes.